How to fix camera is being used by another application error in Windows 24H2. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The error often occurs because an application is running in the background and accessing the camera. Closing such apps can help resolve the issue. Look for any applications in the Processes tab that might be using the camera, such as video conferencing apps or web browsers. Select the application and click End Task. Outdated or incompatible drivers can lead to the camera being used by another application error. Updating these drivers ensures compatibility with the latest Windows version. If that didn't work, Windows privacy settings may block camera access for some apps after the 24H2 update. Ensuring that camera permissions are enabled can resolve the issue. Make sure the option Let apps access your camera is turned on. Check the list of apps below and ensure the necessary apps have permission to use the camera.